Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete passwords on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to delete password on your iPhone is go ahead and open the utility folder. Once you open the utilities folder, locate and click on passwords. Then confirm your Face ID to unlock the password. Once you unlock the password application, you should see all password, passkey, WAV file codes, security, delete. Now to delete any password on your iPhone that is saved on the passwords application, is simply go ahead and click on all. Now you should see your password like this. Now press and hold the password you want to delete. Then you should see this information pops. Then locate and click on delete. Then confirm delete. Repeat the same thing on all other passwords you want to delete on your iPhone. Press and hold and then click on delete. Delete, and that's it. So that's exactly how to delete passwords on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.